Caitlin Fang, Adam Shawn, Zachariah Lee, Nakobe Davis, Carolyn Tao, Valeria Padilla Gutierrez, and Lisa Shane to the stage. All right, so for outstanding academic achievement in English language arts, the award goes to Michaela Yang and Caitlin Fang. For outstanding achievement in math, Adam Shawn and Zachariah Lee. Students earning the award for Most Improved are Nakobe Davis and Carolyn Tao. Woo! And finally, outstanding students from Ms. Thorson's class are Valeria Padilla Gutierrez and Lisa Chang. Congratulations to our second graders from Ms. Thorson's class. Woo! All right, thank you boys and girls, and congratulations. May I please have the following students from Miss Mary's class: Allison Aguirre Hernandez, Melody Nukai, Swastika Sharma, David Navarro, Julius Gu, Courtney Smith, Alvin Vang, Valeria Rusnak, Yevgenia Surkai, Kamari Bailey, Estella Machado, Salud Botuli, Rosalia Cole, Elijah Miller,